Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to determine the catchment area of a river with the help of Google Earth Pro. For downloading this application, you can check description box. So before starting, let's know about the basic tools which we are going to use further. So here top of the screen, you are seeing toolbar. So mainly we will use 4 tools. First one is add place mark, second one is add polygon, third one is add path, and last and fourth one is show ruler. So now let's start. First of all, we need to select river. Here for example, I am taking Hooghly river. Here again you are seeing search bar. You can select any river of your choice. So I am taking Hooghly river in West Bengal. Normally when we calculate catchment of river, we have to take the whole river. But for practical, we are going to consider a small portion of river. For that, first put place mark. So here place mark option is there. First put place mark on starting and ending point of selected portion. So here we will go to option and then we will select. Here I selected starting point and then we have to press on OK button. Then again we will go to same tool and we will select ending point and then again press OK. Then join starting and ending point by using add path tool. Add path. So here we have to draw. We will join starting and ending point and then again we will press OK. Now by using show ruler tool, we will draw a ruler line parallel to river path. For that, you need to select ruler tool. After selecting, you need to draw a line. For that, by left click, line will start drawing. Then after certain length, you need to stop, and for that, for fixing the line, you need to again left click. Now after drawing this line, you need to press save button, then press OK button. To get more accurate result, you have to add more ruler lines, but now I am taking 4 lines to show you. After drawing ruler lines, we have to find out the highest position along line. For that, right click on the lines. We have to right click on the line and then select show elevation profile option. Here you can see. From here you have to mark the highest location of a specific line. So here in elevation profile you are seeing highest elevation. You have to select it 30 feet. Like here for this line, highest location is 30 feet. So we need to again mark it. For that, we need to again approach to mark option, add place mark, and then we need to adjust it. Then select OK option. Similarly, we have to select highest location for each line. Now again, we will use add path tool to join all the place marks which we have put earlier. So we will select the tool and then we will start join. In this way you have to join. We have to cover all the place marks which we have put earlier. After joining them, we have to press OK button. Now finally, we will use Add Polygon tool to fill the whole area enclosed by the path we have added. So we have to go to the option and then we will start drawing. While drawing polygon, we will follow the same path which we have added. And then press OK button. Once you use this polygon tool, right click and then go to the properties and then measurement bar. Here perimeter and area will be visible and you need to take it as your result and add it to your lab file, and you can also take a screenshot of this and add it to your file. Thank you.